This is my Hoover Windtunnel Anniversary Edition bagged upright vacuum with the embedded dirt finder. Green means clean, just like on your traffic signals. Green means clean, red means dirty. I don't know what high regular is, but I'll figure that out eventually. Has wind tunnel technology. Tool cover. Let me take this off. You just get that on the floor and I'll vacuum it up. Alright, so now, tool cover, dusting brush, crevice tool, hose cap, so when not using that, 12-amp motor, HEPA filtration, the exhaust filter, is that in there properly? Yeah, it's in there properly. Anyways, I will give you a test run. Here we go. Alright, so I demonstrated the bag check indicator, and if I know what high regular means, I'll let you know. So this is my Hoover Windtunnel Anniversary bagged upright vacuum from 2009. I hope you enjoyed the video.